Well, before everything's tight, just trying to get this cam in there. On this TRX rebuild. Hitting something?
Yeah, it's hitting the valve. The valve,
Seat?
no.
Valve?
It's a rocker, actually. That's what it is. Down a little bit.
Put pressure on it?
Something like that. There it goes.
Got it?
Yeah, now it's in.
Beauty. All right. That went in.
20 minutes.
Well, figure that out, baby. Now the cam is all the way in. Yes, it's all the way in. It's almost sticking out. Well, not really, but there it is. My way, brown boy way, motherfuckers. Sorry. That's when I worked at the DPW. I especially had a sign made. I had that on my campsite. All of you who remember us way back then, subscribe, comment. Come on, there's a few of you out there that are in here. But yeah, that's funny. Once again, better videos with my phone this way. Thank you to Outdoors with Aaron. I do have a GoPro. My computer's broke. But videoing with a phone seems pretty good for me because downloading stuff to the computer with the GoPro and then all that happy stuff isn't my forte. I'm really computer off. But this baby works. There it is. Dr. ATV once again.
Stickers over there in the toolbox.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go give him a little shout out because he is the man. No sponsors or nothing, but sticker. Yeah. Circle D. Good parts. Dr. ATV. There it is. Definitely. Guy has it going on. This is awesome. I've got a 90 TR. I'm in a CT70 we'll be rebuilding. And then see what happens. Oh, I don't know if this is on my video, but my buddy's trying to call me. He wants to go ice fishing. I'll call him back in a minute. I'm supposed to hit a derby this Saturday with Outdoors with Aaron up in Maine, depending on the storm, but I've got my stuff pretty much set, ready for a bunch of stuff, but there's a derby. And should be good. I'll tell you. My mother-in-law made me this cool bag. Carry my tip-ups. But it's got a cool strap. She put a nice zipper on it. But these are for the jack traps. Wish I could put the phone down and know that it's working. Yeah. Should be right here. See how it goes? It's a cool bag. Nice zipper. Wicked cool. These are for our jack traps. Once again, not a sponsor or anything. Bought these. Love them. These are the 31-inch, 4-inch reel. Awesome. Guys, buy a set if you can get some. Right, Bernie? They're cool. I mean, I've had these tip-ups in here. Some of these are older than my son. But I'll tell you, these jack traps, right there is awesome. Wicked good stuff. But back again, we're here at the ATV. Sorry, guys. Got a distraction for a minute. We might be able to fire this up in a little bit, huh, Bernie?
Yeah, possibly.
Let me, I'll get back to you guys in a few.
Yeah, you might as well.
Well, a little mix up. What do you want me to put this on a rag?
I'll put that on that plastic. There's like a plastic. Yeah, a little mix up. Somebody ended up somehow spinning this timing gear.
Messed with his parts, I think. Happens.
So I couldn't see how to time it later.
There you go.
Which is now.
Now it's time to time it and put it all back together correctly and tighten
Dead
it
center.
down.
I might be able to even time it all here at once.
Good thing we didn't kill everything and tighten it down.
Yeah.
But here we go.
Wait a minute. Where's let's do this.
Okay.
But pull out just the slightest ever. It's gonna be like real easy because it's almost. Good.
Once you got that tight, see?
Good.
I just want to do it easy.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep on. Keep going. Keep going. Right. Hold on. Stop. I think I used the T, right?
I'm not sure.
Pretty sure I lined the T up.
Dr. ATV
Where do I line it?
TRX 1985 or 6 this one?
85.
85. 1985.
Oh, shoot.
Uh-oh.
Piece fell off.
Maybe a little grease?
Huh?
A little grease hold it in there good?
Should be fine.
Let's see what happens here. Okay. Now we're trying to figure out the timing before we tighten it all down and get to the first video I made where it looked like everything was ready to run. Well, like all videos, people edit and do whatever. So like we did, we just put stuff together and made it look great, like it was going to run in a second. But good thing he checked, because his cam gear was turned backwards and couldn't line it up. He figured it out, took it back. Now he's just going to get the timing going. Yes, everybody, timing. Get that set. We are top dead center. Obviously, a little bit of extra gear stuff, but we'll see what happens. Get back to you. Yes, yes. Damn timing. Tried using the pen and I might have fucked up the video. Well, new way to record. Assembly lube.
Hold on.
That's it.
Yeah, you went too far.
Think so?
Yeah, I can see the lines.
Oh, sorry. Dad messed with it. Takes time. Hopefully it gets it set. We'll figure it out.
See one's picking
Huh?
up. So this one.
It's cool when you got other part motors hanging around too. Look at this, boys and girls. 85 CR250 motor. Can you believe it? Yes. Honda. Dr. ATV Parts is setting it up with new stuff. New old stock parts. Awesome. This is awesome. I'm gonna rebuild a couple things now that we got a little bit of access to stuff. Okay, here we go. There's the damn gear that was backwards. Not this time, George. Time to go back together.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can try to time it perfectly.
Hmm?
So we're even gonna see if we can time it perfectly.
Get it perfect almost now, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, and put it back. That's cool. And you just got to touch it like a pinch. Huh?
So well. Let's do that one. That's that one.
Okay. Got anything you can stick in there or want me to hold it or anything?
Yeah, fix this thing. Sure.
You got it?
Yeah. Give me that cam. Actually, I can wait.
You want the cam for a minute?
Yeah.
Dr. ATV. Alright. Here comes your cam. Man, this stuff is sticky like bar oil, chain oil. I wonder if that's like bar and chain oil for chainsaw. Assembly lube, same type of stuff. Anybody know? Comment. Could be. It's very gooey. Sorry.
It's not a two-stroke.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Takes 2 times to start it. That's why they call it 4-stroke. That's all. 4 times the bullshit. Sorry. Well, it's not for kids anyways. I think I'm going to do an adult 420 because we are 420 friendly. Makes you think a little bit about things and makes them sound and run better. What a good set of mind. Be right back. Oh, we're back. Back to almost like the first video, huh, guys?
I do.
Gotta like the editing. No editing. Just having fun. No sponsors. I may turn on the radio. I don't know if they'll give me a... I forget what they call it. Infringement, not infringements, but something. 30 to 40 mile an hour winds earlier. See, you gotta get it top, perfect. With that little 0. Let me show that gear. Where's that gear, Bernie, real quick? Or did you put it over there?
What?
The gear? That's what show people.
It's over there on the bench.
Okay. Well, you're timing it. So over here, it's really little. But you got to get that O when you're top dead center. All set. Everything in there you got to check. And then there should be that mark up in there. Pretty good. Pretty good. Having a few minutes here, taking a break. Bernie's going crazy trying to find a socket. The what?
The socket?
Okay, what size is it? So that one that I found. Yeah. See it going. See what happens here, guys. Once again, she's a going together.
I think it's... Try to pull it over nice and easy, I guess.
Just gonna touch it.
Just gonna pull it over and see if...
Nothing hits.
Yeah.
You'll hear it.
We don't know.
Yeah, that's up.
It'll just stop. We'll have to turn it the other way. What?
You want to leave that? Okay.
Let me see. It's just about top dead center. Yeah, I might have timed it wrong.
Timed it wrong?
Yeah.
You'll figure it out. We can do it the opposite if so. We'll figure that out. Nothing's going clank.
Go ahead and pull it over nice and easy. I don't even feel it sucking. I don't feel it sucking.
Guys, also an awesome subscriber. Outdoors with Aaron. Thank you. Always a great supporter, comments, and look at, we got widescreen video now. Just because of Great idea. Thank you very much. Again. Much better video. How's this time now? Good?
No.
No good that time? First time, we'll get it the second. Oh, alright. That's it for tonight. See you next time.